Well, there's the old green unit again. Finally figured out what it was. Intertherm. Thanks to all who's told me. And there's your brothers again. Just waiting on them. I just wanted to say thanks for whoever's telling me that. I'll add your name somewhere. Alrighty, bye. I got bored while waiting, and even though I already have a video of this.
How much air does it have? Who's that?
What do you want to say?
Who's that?
I don't know. What do you want to say about this?
How much air does it have?
2 ton.
Dang.
That's the cooling capacity. And there is the info sticker model. R22. Making a different video. This thermostat wire is always a small one, and the electrical. Going into the unit. This here is actually one of Goodman's janitrol units. So yeah. Over here's the green one.
Yeah.
The intertherm is what the brand name is. Full of leads that don't work, I don't think. Whoa, there's a big pothole there.
Watch out for that.
Alrighty, bye.